Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Jetta TDI right here, the 2006 MK5. Okay, 1.9 engine. We are doing an engine replacement, as you can see. Yeah, looks pretty bad. You can see one out of here, one out of there. So we have two engines in the shop, and we'll show you today guys how to do a serpentine belt replacement. We have many videos on the channel, make sure to check it out. And on our main channel we have that Scion FRS and Fiesta ST build, and there is a surprise coming soon, so make sure to check it out guys. It's growing crazy fast. So we need a 5/8 or a 16mm wrench right here. That's a serpentine belt on a diesel. Okay, 1.9. So you need to go clockwise on this one. Clockwise will relieve the pressure of the belt and you'll be able to remove it. Okay, just like that. We're showing you since the engine is outside, so you know what to expect and where to go exactly. Because otherwise, when the engine is in the vehicle, it's really tough to show you exactly, because it's almost impossible to get the camera between the body and the engine. So that's the belt. Okay guys, so we're ready to install the belt on now. It's pretty simple. You don't even need the diagram, but if you have a different ear than that, it's always good to double check it, and before you remove it, make sure you try to memorize it or snap a picture. And again, with that 5/8 or 16mm works, both of them. You go clockwise, you install the belts. You need to make sure that it goes in every single groove, okay? And that will be the whole procedure guys. So you know how to do it, how the belt diagram is now, and where the tensioner is. So once you have it in the car, it will be a little bit easier for you. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.